Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are facing issues with the insider preview on the installation of Windows 11, here are some important fixes and solutions which we have found, which we would like to share with you. The first issue is the installation stuck at 100% or at 0% or at the beginning. So this is because of the software distribution files in the folder. So you can see that as I navigate to the C drive and go to the Windows, then you can see that a folder named software distribution. You can see the files inside this. These are the files which you need to remove from here before starting your Windows 11 upgrade. For deleting those files, you have to stop the Windows Update program. For that, you have to press Ctrl Alt Delete and then take the taskbar. Then go to the services and find the Windows Update. As you can see now, the Windows Update is here. Now right click on it and stop the process. Then minimize it. Then go to the same folder, which is software distribution. You can see that is in the C drive, Windows, and in software distribution. Select all the files, then delete it. You can see that all the files are getting deleted. Then go back to the taskbar again. Then find the Windows Update again, right click on it and start the process. You can see that the service is running. That's it. You have done it. Now you can continue. You can go to the settings and go to the Windows Insider program and click the development channel and go back. As you can see that, then go back to the Windows Update. Now click for the update. You can see that the Windows Update resumes. This will complete the installation successfully without any errors. Now next error which you can encounter and during the installation is at 0% or because of the unsupported hardware. So how you can fix it? You will get an error message related to the installation like the one which you have seen now. In this case, it says the PC cannot run Windows 11. Go into the Windows Insider program and link your account. You need to select the dev channel option. In this channel you will get the Windows Insider program update. If you are not getting the dev channel option, you have to go back and unlink your existing account and then restart your system and come back to the dev channel. Then you have to relink your account again and click Windows Update, retry, and the Windows Insider build download will continue. During the download you may get error like the one you see above, that the Windows cannot run on this PC. There is a good solution for this. You need to download this .dll file. This is from the Windows 10 which I have already downloaded. Just copy this file and go to the C drive and click the view option and enable the hidden files and folder option. Here you will see the hidden files and folders. Just click on the Windows BT folder, then go to the source folder and just paste the DLL file here, and it will ask to replace it and you have to replace it. That's it, you are done. Now if you go back to the Windows Update window, you can see that the download continues. So wait till the download complete and the installation starts. So you can see that once the download and installation complete, the Windows will restart and you can see that all the updates are completed and the Windows is successfully installed. Now you can see that the Windows 11 is live. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.